Hey friends, if you wish to use VS Code on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now here's the best part. We do find it on the Microsoft Store. So search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open it. Now search for VS Code. You'll find it here. Basically, VS Code is Visual Studio Code. Click on install and it will start installing the software. Easiest method. Other than this, you can open Bing and search for VS Code and hit enter, and you'll find the option to download it from the official Visual Studio website. Simply click on this one for Windows, and then you can click on open. And it's a very small software. It's quite a light software. It will open within a few seconds. It is downloading on my system and it will open soon. Yes, now it will open. Though I have always said that, see, it says that setup has detected that setup is running. That's because you're installing it from the Microsoft Store itself. And I always recommend installing it from the Microsoft Store because we can be sure that it's safe. When we install it from the website, even if it is a genuine website, it may install other third-party programs like browser plugins and even browsers on the other side. So we always prefer the Microsoft Store. It has been installed and I can open it after searching for it in the Windows search bar. As you can see, Visual Studio Code is open on my system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.